Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you'll be able to browse with zero data using your MTN SIM card. But before that, please like this video, subscribe and share to your brother so that everyone will benefit from this. Okay, so you need some little amount of data to be able to download the app that I'm going to show you and the settings that it requires. So the name of this app is UT Loop app. You go to the Play Store, type UT Loop app, it will pop up, then you install it. Already, I have installed it, but I'll show you how you be able to do that. UT Loop. Oh, sorry for the notification. Okay, if you type YouTube, you search it. This app is UT Loop. I've already downloaded it, so there is no need for me to download it again. So just tap on this app and download it. Then after that, you continue with the rest. Okay, I believe you have downloaded it. So after downloading it, what you do next is you go to your settings. Okay, you go to your settings, then come to SIM card and network. Okay, then you go to your NTN. You tap on your NTN, then you scroll down to access point names. Okay, so if you come to access point names, I've already made a setting, but let me do an additional setting. If you come to access point name, what you simply do is that you tap on the plus sign at the top right corner. You tap on the plus sign, then come to name, tap on the name, then maybe put free internet, then tap on OK. Come to APN. Under APN you type MMS. Okay, you tap OK. Then you scroll down to APN type. Then here you type default. Okay, if you are and you are done, then if you want to save, you tap on the three dot at the upper right corner of your screen, then you tap on save. Okay, all right, so go back. Now you go to your UT Loop app. Here you tap on what? You open it. Already I'm using a different SIM to browse, so let me switch it to the NTN SIM. So what you do is that you switch it to the NTN SIM, then you tap on you on your data, then come to UT what? Come to the UT app, open the UT app. Okay, so you come to the UT app. Okay. Oh, so it has been connected, but let me disconnect it and connect it back. So before anything else, let's check my data, whether I have data or not. Okay, let me check my data. So I don't have any data. The data I left here, it was this midnight data, which is 10.5 megabytes. midnight data 10.5 megabytes. So it can be used. As at the time that I'm recording this video, it is 6:46 a.m. in the morning. So I couldn't have been able to use the midnight data. So let's go, tap back, go to the this app, then you tap on begin. Oh, sorry. So if you as you have just opened it new, what you should do is that you tap here, you select the server, maybe United Kingdom or United States one, any of them. You tap on the 1, 2, 3, the either United Kingdom, United States one, or United States two. So what you do, you tap on United States one, then you tap here to and select Ghana MTN 500 megabyte day. So you tap on that, then you tap on begin to connect. Realize that when you tap on begin, realize that you tap on connect, begin again. Sometimes it, unless you tap on severally before it begin to what? Connect. So okay, now it has been connected, right? So now we now have access to MTN. So what you do when it gets connected, what comes is that it will come to renew access, and then you say watch video. So what that means is that if you watch the video, you get additional time, 4 hours added to your time. Okay, so that when it reach 4 hours, the app expires. So if you can add an additional 4 hours to it. So now since you are now able to connect, open the app, now we have access to free data. The only disadvantage about this free data is that it is a little bit slow. It's a little bit slow. So that's the only disadvantage to it. So if you want to enjoy it fully, you have to be in an area that is having high like network signals. Okay. So already I have added on my app. I've been able to add a lot of hours to it. You realize that I have 314 hours because I sat down, I had time and sat down and added a lot of 4 hours up to that 318 hours. If you have time, you can sit down and add even up to 1,000 hours. So it depending on you. So now we have access to internet. Let me go to Google Chrome, then maybe type so maybe you see Ghana Sports. So the only disadvantage I'm talking about this app is this how slow it is. So that's the only disadvantage to it. So let's wait. You refresh it. Oh, unless I forget, what you do after the APN is, you go to the setting. After the APNs, what you do after the APN setting is you go to your setting. Okay, now after, for example, we have free internet, you tap on that, you let the blue color to fall on that particular circle, that's a particular setting that you have made, then you'll be using that one. Normally it like, if before setting the adding this particular APN, it's usually on the MTN Ghana internet swap. It's usually on the swap. So now that you have added this APN, what you do is that you choose that one instead, okay, before all else. If not, it's sometimes difficult for it to work. Okay, now you see, now I told you that it's a little slow. That's the only disadvantage. If not, it is free. So I can even watch YouTube video for, let's say, for some time, and go back and check whether my internet bundle has been reduced by even a kilobyte. Okay, has been reduced by even a kilobyte, and let's see whether I'm lying or not. Maybe you people might say that, oh, I'm using my data bundle. No, it's a little bit slower. So you realize that when, let me check my data. You realize that it's still 10.5 megabyte, right? So obviously it's not using that data. So thank you very much. Please, if you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.